In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix XML errors in Blogger efficiently. If you've ever encountered an XML error message while working in Blogger, you're likely familiar with how frustrating it can be. Typically, these errors will provide a line number, a column number, and a brief description of what went wrong. For example, you might see something like error parsing XML, line 452, column 23. Now let's explore how you can tackle these errors with some practical solutions. First, when you see an error message, your initial step is to open your theme code. Once you're in the code, navigate to the specific line number indicated in the error message. This will help you locate the problematic part quickly and accurately. One common issue you might encounter involves special characters in your XML files. Certain characters can cause errors unless they're escaped, meaning they're replaced with specific codes. For instance, the ampersand should become and, the less than sign should transform to, and the greater than sign should convert to. Similarly, if you're using quotes or single quotes, they should be replaced with and sinit, respectively. As an example, if your URL looks like https://example.com, I10end cat5, you'll want to update it to https://example.com/id10end cat5. Moving on to another frequent issue, unclosed tags. XML is quite strict about properly closing tags. If you have a line in your code using, for example, the OR tags, ensure that every opening tag is matched with the closing one. So if you have hello, you'll need to amend it to hello to maintain the correct structure. Additionally, if your XML error pertains to embedded JavaScript, wrapping it in a C data section might do the trick. This is important because it tells the parser to treat the content inside it as pure text, which means it won't be interpreted as markup. Suppose your script starts with Maya. In this case, you'll need to modify it to include the cdata tags. By integrating these methods, you'll likely solve many XML errors that arise in Blogger and prevent them from recurring in the future. Always remember that paying attention to detail, whether it's properly closing your tags or escaping special characters, is crucial in maintaining clean and error-free XML files. I hope these guidelines make your experience using Blogger more pleasant and productive. Stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips and helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy blogging.